Hello, this means you have chosen to use the five of spades. Now don't get me wrong, I love the five of spades. I don't know why I said that, but I love when y'all choose the five of spades because I get to use my friend Bloodwing. This is Bloodwing. Now, on Bloodwing, I get to do this. Okay, so I'm going to take Blood, that's why I call him for short, move him up, move him back down, bring him back up. And what's happened? Look at Bloodwing's eye. What is it? See? Well, if you can't see it, it says five of spades. Well, if you can't see it, I promise you it says the five of spades. Sorry you can't see it. Well, you might be able to, I don't know, but